that I'd done, my role in the group was to analyze the play as a whole within the confines of our concept, so that along with the staging, our concept would be incorporated into every aspect of production. My job involved breaking the play down into units and beats with appropriate names, titles, making sure that incongruencies didn't occur in our scene with regards to the rest of the play, because my job is to analyze the entire play and not just the scene. So often things might be done which would be like, wait, hang on, but later on in the play this happens, and I was there to make sure that that didn't happen. All right. And also, part of my job was to help create characters that were both archetypal and yet realistic. It appears that Deborah Leedy's intention for her characters was somewhat of a nameless, absurdist, archetypal characters. None of the characters have names, none of the characters have exact nationalities, even the relationships between them aren't given in the script, it's almost just implied. So they're all very vague and archetypal. But however, as a group we decided that we wouldn't make the characters entirely embody these archetypes, but rather just play to them and still show the humanness of each of the characters. Each of the women in the play has unique issues, unique histories, and unique relationships between them, so not everyone can relate to, and thus, for an audience to relate to them better, they needed to be able to see them as humans and not just as types. For example, domesticated woman tries her hardest to embody the Stepford wife mold, but this role comes unnaturally to her, and so it appears forced, and often her real personality breaks through that perfect exterior. Similarly, all our characters have these almost split identities and personalities, which talks about our concept of fragmentation very strongly. The characters all try to hide from reality and from their pain by escaping to this isolated, placeless, timeless retreat, while still desperately clinging to their past. The theme of hiding is important to our concept. All the characters try to hide their real emotions from one another, while they try, in the retreat, to assemble the fragments of their lives that have fallen apart around them in this place completely isolated from society.
Okay, the approach to directing was